In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product to your Gumroad account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating your first product on Gumroad is a fantastic step towards sharing your digital creations with the world, and I'm here to guide you through the process every step of the way. First things first, you'll need to start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Gumroad website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, you're going to see a user-friendly dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now on the left side of your screen, you're going to notice a menu. One of those options will read Products. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll find the option to add your new product. It's a simple process, so don't worry. I'll walk you through each part. Once you click on Products, look for a button that prompts you to add a new product. When you find it, go ahead and click on that. You will now be prompted to name your product. Think about the name carefully, as it will be the first thing your customers see. Choose something catchy and descriptive that reflects what the product is all about. Next up, you'll want to select the type of product you are selling. Since we're focusing on digital products today, make sure to click on the option that says Digital Product. This is important because it allows customers to access your product immediately upon purchase. After selecting the product type, it's time to set the price. Decide how much you want to charge for your product. You'll see a section where you can input the price and choose the currency. It's typically set to your local currency by default, but make sure it aligns with your business needs. Once you have your price figured out, click on the Next button. Now, here's where you can really put your personal touch on things. The next screen will give you several options to customize your product. You can upload a thumbnail or cover image that represents your product visually. This thumbnail can significantly impact your sales, so choose something eye-catching. You can even upload a zip file if your digital product has multiple components. After uploading your thumbnail and adjusting any other details you want to customize, you'll see a button that says Save and Continue. Click on that. This action will save your progress and take you to the next step. Now you'll see a prompt to upload your actual product file. Go ahead and click on the Upload File button. This is where you'll navigate to your computer, find the file for your digital product, and upload it to Gumroad. It could be an ebook, a music file, or any digital asset you've created. This part is crucial, so make sure you select the correct file before proceeding. Once the upload is complete, you'll find that you have a few more options to review before finishing up. Take a moment to double-check everything is correct: your product name, your pricing, and your uploaded files. It's always a good idea to review your product description too. When you're satisfied that everything looks perfect, you can go ahead and click the Publish button. Congratulations! You've successfully added a product to your Gumroad account. You've now opened the door to selling your creations. This entire process is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, making it simple for creators like you to offer your products online. If you have any questions along the way, or if a step doesn't quite make sense, feel free to refer back to this video. So to recap, we opened Gumroad, logged in, named our product, chose it as a digital product, set our price, customized it with a thumbnail, uploaded the file, and hit Publish. That's really all there is to it. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more videos like this. Happy selling! I can't wait to see what incredible products you come up with.